Hey, thanks for tuning into Hot Off the Wheels. My name is Jesse. In this video, we're going to go over 4 cars. 2 of them are in blisters. One of them is like 2013, and the other is relatively new. So I think you'll like them. One of them is a truck, and the other is a muscle car. But if you want to see what the last video was about, I did a little showcase of those 2 Fords right there, and that Chevy Impala. Now, before I get to the unboxing or showcase of these 2 and the blister, I'm going to show you a little wheel swap I did. I'm trying to get into customizing. I'm just kind of starting with basic stuff like wheel swaps. So I did a little wheel swap. Let me know what your thoughts are. Is it a good fit? I'll show you the original artwork and blister, so you'll see what the kind of looked like before. But basically, I just swapped them out. Anyways, with all that being said, let's get started. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.